Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 70, Circles, Section A, Easy. Let's start. Two circles of radii 10 cm and 8 cm intersect each other and the length of the common chord is 12 cm. Then the distance between the centers is, means the question is, see, these are the two circles with center O and O dash. They are intersecting at a so that we get a common chord AC, right? Now this is AC. Now this is AC means this middle one B number. This is half of AC always. Okay. So what all we have? OA equals to 10, O dash A equals to 8, AC equals to 12. Therefore, AB equals to 1 upon 2 into 12, right? AB is always half. Remember, the chord is always perpendicular, means the segment from center to the chord of any circle always bisects that chord. Okay, so that's why these two will be half and equal. So OO dash is perpendicular to AC. This OO dash is perpendicular to AC. Why? Because the segment from the center to a chord bisects that chord and is always perpendicular to that chord. Okay. Also you can say OO dash is perpendicular to AB because AC and AB are the same segment. Then OA square equals to OB square plus AB square. OA square equals to OB square plus OA square. Why? Because Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Therefore 10 square equals to OB square plus 6 square. Right. So OB square you can find it out now. OB square equals to 10 square minus 6 square, that is 64. OB equals to 8. Okay. OB is 8. Similarly the second one, O dash A square equals to O dash B square plus. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.